Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing no makeup look with you all. If you want to wear something natural, light or minimal makeup, then just try this look. You will look absolutely amazing. So without further ado, let's get started. After cleansing my face, I am going to apply Nivea cream as a moisturizer. This cream hydrates, nourishes and acts as a makeup primer. So I am going to apply this cream on all over my face with my fingers. Then I will blend this cream. Then with the smaller eyebrow brush, I am going to fill my eyebrows. Eyebrows defines our face, so I am going to fill them in. Next I am going to apply Wet n Wild concealer under my eyes, bridge of my nose and around my mouth, just to hide any darkness or blemishes and also to highlight my face. If you don't like applying concealer, then just use foundation or BB cream or compact powder. I am going to blend this concealer really well with the blending brush. Next I am going to set my base by using L'Oreal Matte Magic Compact Powder. Then I am going to curl my lashes and apply generous coats of mascara to my both upper and lower lashes. For that I am using Maybelline the Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. Mascara just opens up the eyes. Our eyes will look more attractive and nice. If you have pink cheeks, then skip this step, or else just apply a little bit of pink blush on top of the cheeks. When you smile, this will look really pretty and cute. Finally, I am applying Lakme Baby Pink Lip Crayon to my lips. And the look is completed. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, keep smiling. Bye.